Open the accessory box. Installation of horizontal spool pin. Raise the needle to its highest position. Raise the presser foot. Take out bobbin. Pull the thread out from the spool. Wind thread clockwise around bobbin winder tension discs. Thread bobbin and place on spindle. Push bobbin spindle to right. Turn on the sewing machine. The power switch is set to I. Hold onto end of thread. Step on foot control pedal. Cut off excess thread. Push bobbin spindle to left and remove it. Insert the bobbin in the bobbin case with the thread running. Pull the thread through the slit. Pull out about 6 inches of thread and attach the bobbin cover plate.
Turn the hand wheel to raise the take-up lever to its highest point. Draw thread from spool through the upper thread guide, leading thread down right channel and up left channel. Now pass the thread behind the horizontal thread guide. Press lever down as far as it will go. Pass the thread in front of the needle around the hook. Release lever. Pull the thread through the needle eye. Raise the presser foot. Hold the upper thread with the left hand. Turn the hand wheel towards you, lowering, then raising needle. Gently pull on the upper thread. Lay both threads to the back under the presser foot. Set the machine for straight stitch. When the value is 0, it is a straight stitch. Turn on the sewing machine. Place the fabric under the presser foot. Cutting the thread. Turn the pattern selector dial. Adjust the stitch width dial. Adjust the stitch length dial. Turn the hand wheel. Open the button plate and insert the button. Attach the buttonhole foot. Lower the buttonhole lever and gently push it back. Set the pattern selector dial. Set stitch length dial to 0.51. Set the stitch width to 6. The needle position is middle. Buttonhole stitching is done in the order. Cut the grommets with a tool. To secure the beginning and the end of a seam, press down the reverse sewing lever. Sew a few reverse stitches. Release the lever and the machine will sew forward again. Raise the needle by turning hand wheel toward you. Rotate the needle clamp, screw toward yourself. Remove the needle. The flat side of the shaft should be towards the back. Insert the needle as far up as it will go. Press the lever on the back of the presser foot holder. Remove the presser foot and bobbin cover plate. Remove the needle plate set, screws. Remove the needle plate. Clean out dust and lint clogging. After cleaning, restore the disassembled parts. Indicator light flashes when the machine cannot running. Raise the presser foot, take out bobbin, clear the clogged threads.